right, Thor. So today we're going to talk a little bit about laws and principles. Okay. So what do laws mean to you in relation to golf?
Well, I know that a law is matter of fact. Like there's no disputing.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
So in the golf swing, I guess that would mean like something that I do in my swing that is going to guarantee this is going to happen.
Okay. Perfect. All right. So we're gonna focus on two today. All right. We're gonna talk about path, and we're gonna talk about face. Okay. If we take those two right there, we can hit any type of golf shot that you want. Okay. So how we're gonna do that is you can hit a lot of different types of golf shots with different face angles upon impact, either closed, square, or open.
Okay.
And then in relation to each one of those, if you have a path either closed to your target or open to your target in relation also with your club face, that's where we're going to get our desired flights. Okay? So for the first one we're going to talk about, I do know that you like to hit the golf ball with a little bit of a fade.
Yep.
Okay? So for you, we're going to talk first about the laws that we need to have and to ensure that we're going to hit that fade.
Okay.
So for you, we're going to completely eliminate the left side of this golf course with this swing.
That sounds awesome.
All right. So basically, when we're going to hit a fade, all we're going to be doing is ensuring that our club face is going to be close to your target. Okay. And then your path is going to be further. It's not going to be an in to out. It's going to be more of an out to in path. Okay. So if you're an out to in path with a slightly closed club face, okay, we're going to ensure that we're going to hit a nice little fade here. So go ahead and hit one here for me.
Is it okay that, do you want me to just move my hands, or do you want me to actually change it?
Nope, so actually just moving your hands isn't going to do much because you're still holding the club exactly the same.
Got it.
Okay? So in order for us to properly change our face, we're going to actually need to turn the golf club and then re-grip.
Got it.
Okay? Okay, so then now the second one we're going to talk about, alternatively, is going to be to eliminate the right side of your golf course.
Okay.
Okay?
Got it.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how we hit a draw.
Okay.
Okay? So now the last one we just talked about is going to be swinging the club more outside to in than our face. Now, if we're going to swing the club more inside to out, that's going to give us the availability for you to be able to hit your draw where you feel like you're not gonna lose one. You're not going to hit your fade and lose it way off to the left. You're going to be able to hit a consistent flight here by just adjusting our club face from the last swing to now what we're going to do this time. So go ahead and get set up to it.
Got it.
Okay, so now we're going to have to just feel like wherever you want that club to be, we're going to swing more inside to out on your path.
Got it.
That was a perfect draw there. Okay, so do either of those two feel comfortable? Do you feel comfortable that
I feel more comfortable with the draw, and I think it visually connects a little bit better with me coming from the inside that direction.
Right, yeah. So the most important part about all of this is going to be what you're going to be able to do to connect to each of these laws in your own swing to where you're going to be able to easily repeat it so you can take it out on the golf course and put it to good use.
Totally.
Perfect.